Number one, Kana was getting the better of Impact, sure, due to matchup as well, and then the bot lane was getting the better, for TL was getting the better of that of KC. In game 2 that repeated, for me the biggest difference was jungle and mid. Both were getting gapped pretty aggressively. Obviously, Umti mostly in the play towards top side, as there is a Taliyah, unsurprisingly. But that's why I actually really like this, ensuring that APA is a champion that he can perform on, because if he doesn't get solo killed and that point of pressure on that just completely falls away, so many of the plays that happen subsequently feels like that's where the snowball started. I do think picking Taliyah this early in a draft is going to be always very risky, so we'll see what Vladi has as an answer.
We also talked about ease of execution in Game 2, and I think it's really hard to recreate the success you found in Game 2 for KC in terms of ease of execution on the top side. Xin, one of the champions that can get it done, but Camille, one of the few champions that has the CC to set up plays, can also snowball. Gnar is another pick that comes to mind, but it's less reliable. It's not that immediate engage that's always going to be there.
And the Rumble has already been taken away. Galio is always another champion that we look at with the Xin Zhao. If you do want to combo it, don't think that that is going to be super fun to play into the Taliyah, though.
No. What is the angle going to be? KC. Ahri will be the option. Ooh. So the dash obviously can be interrupted, but a lot of playmaking potential with this pick. But a very early to mid-game style composition when you have the Xin, when you have the Ahri, these champions that can find picks, similar to what KC brought in Game 1, can be volatile options. Don't always scale the best.
And the mobility there for the Ahri to try and escape whatever sort of